What's up, everybody? I'm Drake here from Drake's Rod Shop, and today we have a package from Summit. We're going to be opening this package and seeing what's inside. So I'm 99.9% sure this is my TV cable for my 700R transmission. So let's get it open right now and take a look at it. We're going to be installing this thing probably in the next couple days. So I'm just opening it right now and taking a look at it. And in the next couple days, which it'll be a couple minutes for you guys, like right after this clip, you'll see me starting the installation on this. So hit that subscribe button if you're new, and let's see what we got here. Some plastic bags we don't need, another Summit Racing sticker. It's a little bent up. You should sponsor me, Summit Racing. That would be freaking awesome. We'll get rid of this. Well, there's some more stuff in here. There is some books from Summit Racing, if y'all can see that. And we got something else. Okay, we got a little card too they sent us. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Put that in there, that's the order sheet. Let's open this box up right here. See how this thing looks. I'm not using a knife, just opening it with my hands. So here it is. This is a TV cable for a 700R transmission. My dad can tell you more about it. He'll be in the next clip. So yeah, let's get this thing installed. Alright, so change of plans. We're doing this the same day, and I'm going to turn the camera around and let my dad tell you what we got going on.
Hi, this is Drake's daddy. How you doing? So what we have here is a new TV cable, throttle valve cable or kick down cable, whatever you want to call it. We ordered this from Summit Racing, and this is their OEM product for the 700R4, which I do like it. It does have an adjustment screw on it. Factory doesn't, you know, it's one place. This is the old one, we already pulled it loose. We already got it out. We're gonna have to sneak the old one behind the intake. It's broken here. It was too short. I guess I don't know why it was on this motor. We got it. You see the difference in it. Wasn't even reaching the top of the engine. I had to start feeding through. This is gonna be really rough. This is gonna be really rough. Tight, tight, tight. I had it through here once already on the old one. Here we go. See, don't want to get on top of the wires with it. It'll come down through here like that. This is the hardest part, going to this little. There we go, we got it. That was easier than going the other way with it, wasn't it? This is gonna look so nice down here, tucked down. I guess we can go up under our spark plug wires since I'm gonna take that loose. What is it doing? I'll let you feed this screw while I get up on the bottom and guide it.
All right, sounds good.
We're gonna pull this cable down through here, like so. right. Pull the slack out the cable.
Like that?
Pull it all the way. Right there. Stop right there. All right. We're gonna go back up to the top. Come get this camera, Drake.
Yep.
Come through here. And carefully push this back. Push the wire through. We don't want to kink nothing, you know? All right. Place. We don't want to click nothing like that. You're just gonna work the cable and keep tension on it when I tell you to, okay?
All right.
Okay, I'm going down underneath to hook it up. You can stay up top with the camera.
Sounds good.
Okay, so we're gonna get up in here. And I don't know if you can see this metal rod right here. Hard to see it. But this little end right here will clip down there, and then we'll slide this plastic down while Drake holds tension on it, and then we'll put the little 10mm bolt back in it. Make sure you always change your little transmission rubber seal. Here's a new rubber seal. Don't want no leaks.
Yep.
See if I can get my bad head in here. All right, Drake.
Yeah.
You're gonna pull tension on that cable.
All right.
Pull your tension.
All right, I'm holding tension on it.
Tension. Oh, slipped off. Hold on.
All right.
It's a little rough.
Yep.
A little bit more play.
All right, so he's got it hooked up to the bottom of the transmission, and now he's adjusting it to the top right now.
That's right there.
All right, it's hooked up to the transmission and hooked up to the throttle. He adjusted it, and now we just got to cut the extra bit of this off.
Works good. Stainless steel cable. I have to chop it with the little cutting wheel.
Yeah.
I think that'd be better and cleaner.
Probably.
So, first time putting the TV cable on, and this little gasket right here, it goes on here. It just literally tore my arm up. I mean, that was the roughest thing I ever did. They put that in there and then shoved this down in the transmission. Even put some grease on it, and it still was just like fighting it all the way down. So, recommend getting the truck up in the air. That way you can have pushing power, because when you're on the ground, you're trying to twist, you ain't got no strength. But yeah, it fought me for about 30 minutes getting that in there and trying to hold that down the shaft. So recommend getting it up in the air to make it easy on you. But finished product, got it adjusted out really good. You want to leave a little bit of slack in it so you don't bind the cable. Max it out, but that's about, you know, take off and perfect. Good example of putting a TV cable on. It's nice and fitted in here. And sometimes you gotta take a screwdriver to help this fit in and kind of help the ears fold out or it won't fit in, but that's pretty much a wrap there.
All right, hopefully y'all enjoyed that video. If you did, drop the video a like and hit that subscribe button if you're new, if you want to see more videos of us working on these trucks and just cruising them when they're done. I'm gonna drink me a cold tea and relax. Peace out.